No way. Never.
What's up?
Guys, Ken always gets me the perfect gift. Just once, I want to do something special for him for our anniversary.
I guess voice-activated rocket thrusters are a bad idea when you're screaming.
Which anniversary? Honestly, I can't remember. We seem to have a different one each week.
What about a tiara? Chelsea, Ken's a boy.
What about a blue tiara?
Please, Chelsea, boys are into action movies, video games, and cars.
That's it!
Is that what I think it is? It's beautiful.
Way to go, Nux! A left, then a right, then another left!
Ken, it's an emergency!
Chelsea, what is it?
I want to play a game, but nobody will play with me. Will you?
Aw, I'd be delighted. Come on in.
Exactly! It's gonna take a lot of hard work, so we better get started.
It's cool, but it can be cooler.
Again?
26 games in a row. You know, give or take.
Do you hear that?
How about we try chess? Backgammon? Poker?
Poker?
We're bringing it weekend, we're bringing it lame. Whatever we can do to keep it all the same. We're focus tested and radio friendly.
The only thing that matters is that we stay trendy. Blue is so last season. How about Kelly Green? Racing stripes will make Ken's wheels stand out in a crowd. Flames are so much cooler. If by cooler you mean lamer. How about a dragon? Now, that would be cool.
You sure this is your first time playing poker, Chelsea?
Absolutely. Next hand. Albuquerque Hold'em, aces high, nothing wild. Wild cards are for preschoolers.
Oh, Ken is gonna love this.
Bop, 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 ba, da, bop, 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 ba, da, bop, bop.
Again.
One, two,
three. Again.
One,
One, two,
two, three.
three. Come on! One, two, three. Ah!
And nothing more, 'cause you've all heard the song and dance before. Our phony baloney image is planned.
You sure you didn't hear that?
Hear what? It's Stacey's fault.
Oh, I told you we shouldn't have skipped on the pyrotechnics!
I can't believe it. It's the most amazing thing I've ever seen.
What noise? I didn't hear any noise.
Is that what I think it is? A one-of-a-kind, limited edition, golden Schlondpoofa. You're the best, babe.
No, you are.
No, you are.
You are.
No.
You both are. Can we go for a spin?
That's because you're not putting on enough of a show!
Let's ride! What's this button do?
Eggman! Ugh.
That darn golden Schlondpoofa.